Hey, what's up guys, it's me Tech of God back with a brand new video on the channel, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys GTA India mode for GTA San Andreas Android. Well, this mode is very fantastic and super for GTA San Andreas Android. Well, in this mode we can see anything that we can see in our country India, like Indian cars, Indian bikes, Indian rickshaws and many more things. And this mode contains a lot of features like new HD textures, new HD pedestrians, new HD animations, new HD time cycle and many more. I provide the full information about this mode in the description, so you can check it out. So well, I don't create this mode. Well, the creator of the mode is modding GURUJI. Well, you can also check out his channel. Well, I want to say thanks to him for creating this mode. This mode is very superb, guys. I already installed this mode in my GTA San Andreas Android, and I feel very good to play it. Seriously, I feel very good to play it. Well, so if you also want to play this mode in your GTA San Andreas Android, then all you have to do is to follow my guide. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Well, so first of all you have to do is to go to the download link of GTA India mode that I provide in the description, where it's a Mediafire link, so you will be able to easily download it. So as you can see here is the Mediafire link. So then after you go to the link, all you have to do is to tap on the download button and the download will be started. So guys, well, I already download this mode file. Well, as you can see here that this mode file is in the zip file, so you must need to extract it for installing it in your GTA San Andreas Android. So you will need Z-Archiver app for your Android device. Well, I also provide its link in the description, which is a Play Store link. When you go to the link, the Play Store will automatically opens with Z-Archiver. Then after, all you have to do is to download it and install it in your Android device. So then after you download the mode, all you have to do is to open the Z-Archiver. Well guys, as you can see here that I opened the mode zip file with Z-Archiver, as you can see here. So when you open the mode zip file with Z-Archiver, you will see these three folders: com.rockstargames.gta, skybox 4.0 and time cycle only skybox. So first of all you have to do is to copy the first folder. Then after, you need to extract it to the device memory, Android data, and then after paste it here just like that. So when you will go to paste it, it will ask you to fill the password. So the password is made by GURUJI. Well, this is the password. Well, you can pause the video to note it. So then after you type the password, all you have to do is to tap on the done option. Well guys, if you already have a Rockstar GTA San Andreas folder, then you can overwrite it. So I'm gonna overwrite it right now, as you can see. So then after you extract the Rockstar Games GTA folder into the Android data folder, then all you have to do is to open the Rockstar Games.gta folder that you extract it. Then after, open the files folder and tap on the text folder. Then after, open the GTA 3 folder, which is at the above. Here is, as you can see. Then after you open the GTA 3 folder, you will see these three files: gta3.rename.dat, gta3.rename.tmb, gta3.rename.toc. Well, you just have to rename these three files. So let's follow me that how to rename it. So then after, hold on the first one and tap on the rename, just like that. And then after, all you have to do is just to erase the rename word, and then after, you should have to type these three words. Well, if your device GPU is Adreno, then type DXT. And if your Android GPU is Mali, then type ETC. If your device GPU is PowerVR, then type PVR. My phone GPU is Mali, so I'm gonna type ETC. So now I'm gonna tap on the done, and now I'm going to do the same with these two files. So then after you've done this step, you can play the modded game now in your Android device. Well, if you want to install the skybox, then all you have to do is just to go back to the mod zip, and then after all you have to do is just to tap on the skybox folder. So there is another file. Well, tap on it also and then tap on open. So then after, it will also ask you the password of the file. So just type the same password. The password is made by GURUJI. Then after tap tap on the OK. So then after you tap on the OK button, you will see these three files. You have to copy the first file, as you can see here at the above, like that. Then after, all you have to do is to go to the Android data com.gta San Andreas, and then after open the files folder and just paste it here. So then after, go back and just copy these two remaining files, and then after go to the Android data com.rockstar games, and then after tap on the paste option. So now you are ready to experience the modded game. So now I'm going to show you the gameplay of this game right here, right now. Well guys, so I show you that how to download this GTA India mode for GTA San Andreas Android and how to download it and how to play it. So that's it for this video guys. Hope you guys liked this video and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. I will see you all guys in my next video. So for now, peace out. And if you want to learn from me anything at live, so you can go to my website link. Well, the link of my website is given in the description, so you can check it out. And if you want to communicate with me, then you can join my Hangouts group. Well, I also gave this link in the description.